Northern Lights are one of the great wonders of the natural world, surrounded by myths and folklore. This is Ravnastua in northern Norway, a remote group of huts and cabins high on the Arctic plateau. In winter, the weather can be brutally cold, the temperature plummeting to 40 degrees below zero. For 2 months of the year, the sun doesn't rise above the horizon. This is the land of the Sami people, traditional fishermen, fur trappers and reindeer herders. The Northern Lights are an important part of Sami culture.
Jag heter Oskar Eriksson och driver Ravnastua fjällstuga. Ja, Nordlys är vanlig. Och den är en del av vår vardag här som bor nord för polarcirkeln. Och den hör med och den lyser upp på den mörka årstiden. Och på en måte hjälper oss att komma igenom det. Ja, vi skulle ikke terge nordlyset, ikke gjøre effekt til den på noe som helst måte, ellers så ville den ta oss.
Even today, many Sami people believe that the Aurora should be respected at all times. In Norwegian folklore, it's said that you should never shout, point, wave or laugh at the Aurora. If you do, the Northern Lights will come down to the ground and knock you over, knock you unconscious, make you sick, or even lead to your death.
Mun aamulla laasfesten käy. Mun palkan pohtujen. No muu vähän mulla ja muu mattuilla aivan palkan pohtujen. Ja nuulla munkin älkään. Älkin nummus koulutuskäytettiin kohta 7 jahkaisessa. Mutta kuopsata miekalkan härtihkä tälle männän.
The Lap and Sami people, as well as some North American native tribes, believe that the light of the Aurora comes from the energy of the souls of their ancestors, or from the spirits of the dead. So what causes the Northern Lights? The sun creates enormous amounts of heat, plasma and other particles as it converts hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion. Most of these particles are trapped by the sun's magnetic field, but some escapes towards the Earth. This is the solar wind. Most of the solar wind is deflected around our planet by the Earth's magnetic field, but some gets channeled down towards the north and south poles. When these energetic particles collide with the gases in the upper atmosphere, they produce light. Every now and then, a solar flare on the sun will eject an even bigger wave of particles towards the Earth. These coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, can result in spectacularly bright auroras that can be seen both from space and on the ground.
No, tästä Oulu inni. Ja liivuota muhtimin hirmoja. Ja siellä. Tuon aina kun jäällä haastaa, että nievän lähtee.
Most of the time, the aurora isn't very bright, so long exposure photography is used to create spectacular time-lapse videos. While often very beautiful, these time-lapse videos don't show the aurora as it really is. When a big solar flare hits the Earth, the aurora can become bright enough to film with a very sensitive video camera in real time. This is what the aurora really looks like. It can be seen dancing across the sky. The different colours come from reactions with different gases at different altitudes. Higher up in the atmosphere, oxygen can produce red. Lower down, it produces green. Much lower in the atmosphere, nitrogen gas creates blues and purples. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, a magical display that brings light to the dark Arctic winter nights.